Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Ignat Games professional dartboard. You can get this product on Amazon for about $55. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a high quality product and will probably last for a long time. The dartboard comes with a measuring tape, a complete mounting kit with bracket, bumpers and bolts, an ebook and a printed version of the general rules of darts. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a printed version of how to mount the dartboard, but you can find this one on Amazon if you really need it. Mounting the dartboard is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I tested the dartboard for about a week and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to mount, the quality is really good, and the self-healing ability works better than I expected. So if you're looking for a good quality tournament dartboard, I would recommend the Ignat Games professional dartboard. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.